When you order loom extenders, they come in a package and you get these 2 items in it. And what's inside are more threaded rod to extend your loom, as well as this double-sided nut turnbuckle type thing, and some feet extenders as well, which maintains the stability of your loom after you've added height to it. So these offer 24 more inches of weaving area for the 12-inch and the 16-inch looms, and 13 more inches of weaving area for the 22-inch loom. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you're installing your extenders is take these nuts off of the extenders, and then also remove your wing nuts from your loom, because those wing nuts are now going to go on your extenders. Otherwise you have no way to extend. This can be a pain in the butt, so you can get a good spin on it if you whack it really good in a good spot. Otherwise, it'll take forever. There we go. Okay, so when you're putting your wing nuts onto your extenders, put it just to make it faster for you to turn these wing nuts, put it on the side of your loom that your wing nuts are going to be closest to. So if you're going to extend your loom as high as possible, start it at the top and go down. If you're just extending it a bit and you only want a couple more inches, put it on the bottom and go up. Alright, so we want there to be at least 4 inches of overlap between the threaded rod and the copper when we put the top of our loom on. So that's at least 4 inches there. With these, you want there to be an equal amount of threaded rod inside. So you can put it on the bottom one first, kind of eyeball it, and then put the top one on. Now, if you're putting these turnbuckle nuts on, I don't really know what they're called, they're one or the other, onto your threaded rod, and it's not going in, turn it around. It just means that you've started on the wrong side. Good. And then the loom goes on top. The top of the loom goes on top. And so we've done this portion now. So this is extending the available weaving length of this 16-inch loom by 24 inches. What you do is you remove the rubber caps from these legs and install the rubber washers onto your existing legs. Okay, you may want to lay your loom down for this. Give it a big overlap of about 4 inches. Reinstall the rubber cap to your extenders. Now this is super stable. This is not going anywhere. So this is the final 16-inch loom with extenders.
Starling standing close, robed in hand-knit clothes,